Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today y'all gonna watch me perform a hair miracle. So y'all, for my mama's birthday, she decided to go to Amazon and get this wig, child. Okay, I don't really know what to say about this wig, but it just was not giving what it was supposed to be giving. So y'all just sit back and watch me slay.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Okay, so as y'all can see, this is really giving grandma, church lady wig, okay? And don't come for me. I don't have no problems with no grandma and no church lady, but that is not what we were going for. So we finna get this wig all the way together. But what I will say about the wig, it was very lightweight and very breathable, and it takes the heat very well. So, I mean, if you like the wig, there's some pluses to it.
In the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Okay, I know y'all see how that girl blended that hair. Yes, it's laid. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, y'all, so she may have gotten jigged a couple times. It wasn't intentional, but you know they be saying pain is beauty. Yeah, okay, I'm just playing my, she finna kill me for this, y'all. But when she was done, it looked cute, so she be all right. Okay, y'all, so we done transformed this week into something amazing. Yes, Lord, look at my mama, child. She looks good with a teeth, child. Okay, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.